Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS R100, an exciting mirrorless camera kit that's perfect for beginner photographers and creators. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Canon EOS R100? This compact mirrorless camera features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and allows you to capture detailed photos with beautiful natural bokeh. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, this camera is designed to make your images pop. One standout feature of the EOS R100 is its impressive 4K video capability. With the ability to shoot 4K video at up to 24 frames per second, you can create high-quality videos that look professional. The camera also supports full HD video at 60 frames per second and HD video at an impressive 120 frames per second, making it a versatile option for aspiring videographers. Plus, it's powered by Canon's DIGIC 8 image processor, which enhances your shooting experience and ensures that your videos and photos look crisp and vibrant. Another key aspect of this camera is its advanced autofocus system. The dual-pixel CMOS AF covers a wide area with up to 143 focus zones, making it easier to track subjects in motion. It includes human face and eye detection, as well as animal and vehicle detection, ensuring you capture sharp images even in dynamic settings. Plus, with a continuous shooting speed of up to 6.5 frames per second when set to one-shot AF, you won't miss a moment. The design of the EOS R100 is also worth mentioning. It's the smallest and lightest camera body in the EOS R series, which makes it incredibly portable and user-friendly. Whether you're heading out for a day of exploring or just taking a few snapshots around the house, this camera won't weigh you down. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for travel, street photography, or even vlogging. Now, who is this camera really for? The Canon EOS R100 is ideal for beginners who are looking to step up from smartphone photography or even point-and-shoot cameras. It offers a balance of advanced features without overwhelming new users. If you're an aspiring content creator, whether you're into photography or video production, this camera provides a solid foundation for honing your skills. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're a travel enthusiast, the lightweight design and excellent image quality make it a perfect companion for capturing your adventures. For those interested in creating online content, the 4K video capabilities and advanced autofocus will help you produce high-quality videos for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Additionally, if you're a parent wanting to document family moments, the EOS R100's fast performance and reliability ensure that you can catch those fleeting memories with ease. In summary, the Canon EOS R100 is a fantastic entry-level mirrorless camera that offers stellar image quality, 4K video, and advanced autofocus features in a compact design. It's perfect for beginners looking to explore photography and videography without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to take your creative journey to the next level, this camera could be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.